Hi, I'm Lou.
And I'm Sarah.
Sarah wants to clean clutter out of her garage. Sarah wants to hang stuff on her ceiling, but she can't reach the hooks. I'll use these leftover 1x3s from a recent project. If you're buying your own wood for this project, definitely buy 2x4s, but since I have these, I'll just make 2x4s with glue and screws. I used a stud finder on the ceiling and I found I had two beams running like that, 16 inches apart above the drywall. So I laid these boards out 16 inches apart from center to center, and I'll put this board on top right here and the other one down there with glue and screws. Now we'll attach these 14-inch legs, and it's starting to look like an upside down table. We have these two scraps left and we'll put them right here for a little more stability. Now I'll use screws to mount one of these angle brackets on each leg. These screws were a little too long, so I'll cut them off. I've got the whole thing propped up on a ladder near the ceiling. Then we'll screw it into the floor joist. Strength test. Now we drill holes from underneath and screw in ceiling hooks. And now Sarah can hang stuff on her ceiling. Thanks for watching.